Can I file a slip and fall lawsuit against a grocery store? In recent news, slip and fall incidents at grocery stores have been making headlines. Many people are asking, can I file a slip and fall lawsuit against a grocery store? If you have been injured while shopping, you are not alone in seeking answers. This topic is especially relevant as more individuals are becoming aware of their rights regarding injuries sustained in public spaces. Yes, you can file a slip and fall lawsuit against a grocery store if you were injured due to the store's negligence. In personal injury law, slip and fall cases fall under premises liability. This legal principle holds property owners responsible for keeping their premises safe for visitors. To succeed in a lawsuit, you must prove that the grocery store owed you a duty of care, breached that duty, and that this breach caused your injury. The first key element is the duty of care. Grocery stores have a legal obligation to keep their premises reasonably safe. They must also warn customers about known hazards. This duty can vary based on your status as a visitor. Generally, stores must address or warn about dangerous conditions like wet floors, spills, or obstacles. Next is the breach of duty. You must show that the grocery store failed to meet its duty. This could be by not cleaning up a spill, failing to put up warning signs, or neglecting maintenance that led to the hazard. Causation is the third element. Your injury must be directly caused by the store's negligence. For example, slipping on an unmarked wet floor and suffering an injury would establish this link. Lastly, you need to demonstrate damages. This means showing that you suffered actual harm, such as medical expenses, lost wages, or pain and suffering due to the fall. If you can prove these elements, you may be entitled to compensation for your medical bills, lost income, and other damages related to your injury. It is also important to act quickly, as there are time limits for filing such claims. These limits, known as statutes of limitations, vary by state. Consulting with a personal injury attorney can help you understand your rights and the specifics of your case. In cases where the injury leads to death, survivors may have the option to file a wrongful death lawsuit against the grocery store based on the same premises liability principles. If you slipped and fell in a grocery store due to the store's negligence, you generally have the right to file a lawsuit to seek compensation for your injuries.